Hello, good morning. Operations for tonight is flooding the finished tie-in spool. Production to the elbow. So this is the flooding machine where the water is being treated before it is forced into the pipeline. These are the pumps. These are the generators. These are the flood tanks. These are the hose that's going to be deployed by a crane, subsea. Is that the suction hose? After finish flooding the pipeline, we will be doing the post installation mattress stabilization. So you can see the mattresses with the spreaders. There is a 3 small spreader.